Samsung is gearing up to make waves once again with the much-anticipated Galaxy S25 Plus. With each iteration, Samsung proves why it's one of the leading players in the smartphone market. Whether you're a fan of their premium flagships or a casual admirer, the Galaxy S25 Plus promises to set new standards with cutting-edge features and meaningful upgrades. Here's everything you need to know about its standout features, reimagined by Technology Review. 1. Revolutionary camera technology. Sony LIA sensor. The camera department is often where Samsung shines, and the Galaxy S25 Plus looks ready to raise the bar yet again. Rumors suggest that Samsung is shifting from its in-house ISOCELL sensors to Sony's LIA series sensors. This change could revolutionize mobile photography, offering stacked high-sensitivity sensors, capture stunning photos even in low light. 50MP advanced chips. Expect more accurate color reproduction and detailed images. Dynamic range excellence. With advanced processing, tricky lighting scenarios will no longer be a challenge. Imagine taking photos with DSLR-like quality on your smartphone. Sony's LIA sensors are already acclaimed in devices like the Oppo Find X7 Ultra, so if Samsung incorporates these, the S25 Plus could be the camera king of 2025. 2. Next-level storage and memory. Speed is everything in the smartphone world, and the Galaxy S25 Plus aims to deliver unparalleled performance in storage and memory. UFS 4.0 storage technology. Boasting speeds up to 8 GB per second, this storage setup ensures lightning-fast uploading, smoother multitasking, and rapid file transfers. Upgraded RAM options. Say goodbye to the outdated 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage combo. The S25 Plus is expected to start with 12 GB RAM, ensuring peak performance for gaming, multitasking, and AI-driven apps. Future-proof storage. By 2027, Samsung plans to implement UFS 5.0, but for now, the S25 Plus will set a new benchmark with its current generation upgrades. 3. A display that redefines clarity. Samsung's displays have long been considered the gold standard, and the Galaxy S25 Plus looks to continue that tradition with some significant enhancements. Gorilla Glass Armor. Debuting with the S24 Ultra, this innovation eliminates reflections, making the screen crystal clear even in direct sunlight. Peak brightness and color accuracy, ideal for streaming, gaming, or just scrolling through social media. The S25 Plus promises an immersive viewing experience. Outdoor readability. Forget squinting in the sun. The improved brightness levels make everything on-screen pop with clarity. 4. AI features and long-term software support. Samsung is doubling down on artificial intelligence and longevity with the Galaxy S25 Plus. Here's what to expect. Smarter AI integration. The device will adapt to your usage patterns, optimize performance, and enhance battery life through AI-driven algorithms. 7 years of software support. This is a game changer. Whether you're someone who upgrades every year or likes to hold onto a device, knowing you'll receive updates until 2032 is a massive advantage. Longer support also means a more sustainable device lifecycle, reducing e-waste and benefiting the environment. 5. Early release date and charging breakthroughs. Samsung is kicking off 2025 with a bang by releasing the Galaxy S25 series early in January. But the timing isn't the only exciting aspect. Super fast charging. While the S24 settled for 25W charging, Samsung might finally step up to 80W or even 100W fast charging. This means you could get 50% battery in just 15 minutes. Convenience at its best. Faster charging ensures you're not tethered to an outlet for long, perfect for those with busy lifestyles. Honorable mentions. Other rumored features. While these top 5 features steal the spotlight, the Galaxy S25 Plus might pack additional surprises, such as advanced Snapdragon or Exynos processor. Expect top-tier performance for gaming and multitasking. Eco-friendly design. Continuing Samsung's focus on sustainability, the S25 Plus might use more recycled materials. Improved One UI features. Samsung's custom Android skin will likely bring new productivity tools and customization options. Why the Galaxy S25 Plus matters. Samsung continues to push boundaries, and the Galaxy S25 Plus represents the perfect balance of innovation and practicality. With its focus on camera excellence, performance upgrades, and user-centric features, this flagship is shaping up to be one of the most exciting releases of 2025. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a power user, or someone who just loves premium tech, the S25 Plus is worth keeping an eye on. Stay connected with Technology Review. What's the one feature you're most excited about? Are you ready to jump on the Galaxy S25 bandwagon? Or are you waiting for more leaks? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Technology Review for the latest updates on smartphones, gadgets, and more.